In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Remitly to Gcash. Now, first is to install the application, and from here, click on Send, which you'll find onto the bottom middle screen. After clicking the Send, it'll automatically load the applications on sending information. Now, from here, you can send a specific amount from USD, for example, to PHP. Now, click on Delivery Method. Choose mobile money, which includes the Gcash. From here, select your payment method. For example, you want it to go in debit card, credit card, or bank account. Now, after clicking on that, click on Continue. And now from this page, click Gcash. Enter the name, middle name, and the last name. I'm gonna type here on Tomasz Shelby. Click on Continue. Now, after clicking on to the next, enter the phone number and click on Continue. All you need to do is to follow the process, enter the information needed, enable for you to send the money from Remitly to your Gcash account. And that's how to send money from Remitly to Gcash.